Bonjour mes petits, c'est moi, the fabulous Trees, back with a new video. And in today's video, hold on, before I get to the video, real quick. Today's lashes are in the style Hey Boo, brought to you by Fat Lash by Trees. That's right, by Trees. I done started my own lash line, y'all. Go on over to www.fatlashbytrees.com and check out my site and let me know what y'all think and buy some lashes and, support a sister because, I'm doing stuff. But I'm not even going to get into all of that. Like, I have a whole video coming up about, oh, did I spit? I have a whole video coming up about that. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a revamp of an old video. I think I already said this in the tutorial part, but I'm going to say it again anyway. So we're doing a refresh of an old video that I did. I don't even know how many years ago, but it is of my absolute favorite protective hairstyle. It is super quick, super easy. And if you want to see how I do what I do and how you can do it too, then keep on watching and I will catch you on the other side. I believe it's that side, whichever way this thing swipes. What's up, guys? So today's video is a revamp / refresh of an old video that I did probably back in like 2015, I want to say. So this is a really old video that I'm redoing finally, and I figured I would do it in real time because that's how you get to see how easy it is. So without further ado, you want to start on stretched hair. It doesn't have to be like super stretched. This is like, you see how old it is. So, I got caked up product and stuff in my hair. I'm getting ready to wash it tomorrow, but I got to be presentable today, so we're going to throw it up. And you don't, like I said, you don't want it to be too stretched because the volume is kind of what makes the twists look good. So, and you won't have to fluff or separate or do anything like that. So I'm just going to start by defining my part. Again, wash day soon comes, so we don't worry about the dandruff and shit that I got going on in the middle. Okay, I can live with that. Can I? All right, I think I can, yeah, I can live with that. I don't really care too much about the part in the back because it never really fazed me. But if you want to take this all the way back and make sure your part is defined in the back, you go ahead, you be my guest. I don't care. All right, so now you just want to make sure that your hair is relatively detangled. It don't have to be like extra, detangled. You just got to be able to make sure you can get through it. And I am not properly detangling my hair right now, but you know what? It's okay. So now I'm going to just take the side that I'm not working with and get it out of my face, get it out of my way, just so I can work. And then I'm going to take my pinky, and this is also a two-strand flat twist tutorial for those of you who do not know how to two-strand flat twist. So I'm going to take my pinky, I'm going to separate out a small little kind of triangle type section, and I'm going to split that in two. And for this flat twist, I want the hair to go away from my face, so I want the bulk of the twist to be on top and not the bottom. So in order for me to do that, whatever piece of hair is on the bottom, that's going to go back. Does that make sense? So I'm not going to twist down. I'm going to twist back. All right. So to two-strand flat twist, you're going to take your two strands and you're going to twist them. And again, I say the twist that's on the bottom is going to go back. Okay? Back. And you're going to pick up some hair, separate it out, and add it to the strand that was on top that became the bottom strand. Push it back. Grab some more hair. Ain't got to be perfect. Now it's on the bottom, back. Grab some more hair. Now it's on the bottom, and you always want to add the hair to the bottom strand. Separate it out, twist it back. Again, do not mind the caked up product in my hair. That ain't nobody's business. Bottom strand, twist it back. You can grab some hair, add it to the bottom strand, and twist it back. And just keep going all the way down until you run out of hair. Now, I have my twist rounded to get to the back of my head. You could do it straight down if you wanted to. I keep my armpit out the thing because I got a wax. But you could do it straight down if you wanted to, but I got mine going towards the back just so the way that I do the way that I secure the twists is gonna be more inclined to go in that direction. So now I'm just going to finish the rest of the twist. If y'all can see what I'm doing, because that chair is in the way. So I'm just going to secure the rest of the twist, or twist the rest of the hair, I guess. And let me zoom out. And now we have a 2-strand flat twist. So I'm literally going to do the same exact thing to this side. You separate out a little triangle, bust that triangle into 2, and your bottom strand is going to go back. Bottom strand. Pick up some hair. Get on my face. Twist it back. Pick up some hair, add it to the bottom strand, separate that out, twist it back. Pick up some hair, add it to the bottom strand, separate that out, twist it back. And sorry I'm turning away from you guys, but my mirror is right here. Now on this side again, I'm going to secure the twist. All right, so now I'm back and I really don't have to do any pulling or separating. I like the thickness that they are right now. But if you want them to be bigger or thicker or more fluffy, then you're just gonna pull them apart a little bit, separate them out a little bit. Now, what I want you guys to see is that I have not secured my, my twists yet, but they sit behind me the way that they should because I twisted it around instead of straight down. So I don't have to worry about that. So all I'm gonna do is grab, where are they? All I'm gonna do is grab a hairpin or two, and I do hairpins because I don't like bobby pins. So this is a bobby pin, right? The closed joint. And if I can get it, this is a hairpin, the open joint. So I prefer to use the open ones because they don't hurt my head. They don't hurt the back of my neck. Is you going to focus or not, camera? There you go. So I'm just going to take a hairpin. I'm going to take this one and cross it over to this side and secure it. Boom. I'm going to take the other one on the opposite side. Take another hairpin and secure that sucker. Boom. And now we lay these edges. But I don't think I'm going to do that on camera, so I'll be right back. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do them on camera because I ain't doing nothing special. This ain't going to be no edge tutorial or nothing like that. Swoop. 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 All right. Got a little swoop here. And a little swoop there. Here, swoop, there, swoop, everywhere, swoop, swoop. All right, so these edges is laid. Hang on, I got a little swoop out of place. Swoop, swoop. Swoop, swoop. All right, guys, this is the finished product. I'll be right back to do some posing for you guys. Okay, before we get into the whole posing thing, real quick, I just want to let y'all know that edges and swoopy swoops are optional. They're like the perfume of the hairstyle form, you know what I'm saying? If you washed your ass good, you don't really need perfume, but who doesn't like it every now and then? Or most days. Shit, I like it most days. Just saying. So, with that, we're going to pose. Okay guys, so that brings us to the end of another tutorial with Treese. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to give me a big old thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel and follow me on all social media at callme_Treese. I'm the only _Treese, you know what I'm saying? So if you're looking for me, put that underscore in there and that's how you're going to find me. Anyway, I think that's all there is to say because this outro is going to be very short. There is no chat with Treese this week. Yeah, that's it. So as always, I thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you share this video. Share it. Click that share button. I need that. I really need that. I need that a lot. So if y'all could share this video for me, that would be fan-fucking-tastic, you know? That's all there is to say. And there is no more except as always. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Mwah! Bye, guys.